Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead on this rainy, overcast day. We're going to show you today how to make an awesome tomato trellis. Stick with us. This tomato trellis is so simple. It only takes basically 3 parts. I have got here 2 12-foot 5-inch treated posts, and the reason for that is tomatoes grow incredibly tall. Not many people know that, but they grow incredibly tall. So we had some brandywines this past year, and they grew over the top of our 5-foot trellis and sag down to the ground on the other side. That's 10 feet of growth, essentially. Lots of tomato varieties do that. So this year, we're not going to let any of those branches break, those vines break. We're going to get these things up in the air like they do in a tomato greenhouse or tomato hothouse. All right, let me show you this thing real quick here. So as I said, I have got 1, 2 12-foot 5-inch treated posts right here, sunk down into the garden about 2 feet. So I got roughly 10 feet up here, and I've dropped a cable, a plastic coated steel cable, just about a foot. If you can see that against the sky. Sorry about the camera here. Let me get it up there. Anyway, yes, right there. So just about a foot. Now I've run those through and I've secured those on either side of the post to give it stability and to give myself, actually this one isn't done yet. I need to get another piece of hardware on there. I just looped it around the little eye bolt there. But you get the idea. So that gives me the ability to tighten up the cable if it stretches, which it probably will with the weight of the tomato. So you're going to want to give yourself the ability to tighten that back up so you don't get a lot of sag right there in the middle. Okay, so right here, this is all we're going to do. See this piece of string? I don't know if you can see that against the sky, but it's tied up on the cable above, and that will, we will wind our tomato vine as we prune it. We're going to wind that tomato vine up and secure it to the line as it comes up. Now, I know a lot of hothouses do that, and it works incredibly well, and you get a lot of production out of it because you are keeping, well, as you prune along the ground here, you're keeping a lot of diseases away from the bottom of that plant. So you want to prune that up 12, 18 inches, give or take, depending on variety, so on and so forth. As you're pruning your tomatoes, prune them up off the ground. You're going to keep all that disease that's prone to come from the ground into the leaves off of your tomato plants. You're going to create this nice wall of tomatoes here, and it's going to get a lot of airflow in and out of the tomatoes, and it's going to get a ton of sunshine. Okay, so the trellis is only one part. You have to prune properly as well, and as soon as we get something going here, we'll do a video on that. And that's it. That's basically it. That's all you need to have a great tomato trellis. Keep these things growing up to their normal heights, right? 8-10 feet in the air. And it's super simple. All right? Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Hope you liked the video. If you got any questions, let me know, as always. And we will see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Take care. Bye.